Here we are going to learn two things. One is about isogoric process and another one is about how to draw the PV diagram, TP diagram, VT diagram for isogoric process. What is isogoric process? This is one of the thermodynamical processes in which the volume of the system is kept constant. This is a key point. Which one is key point? The volume of the system is kept constant. But pressure, temperature and the internal energy of the system continue to be the variables because they will change. The working of pressure cooker is the best example for isogoric process. Here the lid is closed. Therefore, the volume of the system is kept constant. On heating, the pressure and temperature of the system are increased. Here, the capacity of that is volume of the cooker is 5 liters. That is always constant. The pressure inside the cooker at room temperature, that is at 27 degrees Celsius, is 100 kilopascal. On heating, both pressure and temperature increase. To draw the PV diagram, TP diagram and VT diagram, some data are required. Here the volume is kept constant. The volume of the cooker is 5 liters. Therefore, though the temperature and pressure both are changing, volume is kept constant. The initial temperature of the cooker is 300 Kelvin. That is at room temperature. At the time, the corresponding pressure inside the cooker is 100 kilopascal. When the temperature increases, the pressure also correspondingly it is increasing. By using this data, we are able to draw the three diagrams. The first one is about PV diagram. Here, as I have told earlier, the volume of the cooker is 5 liters. It is kept constant. But here the pressure increases as temperature increases. Here the pressure increases from 100 kilopascal to 120 kilopascal. Here volume is taken along x-axis and pressure is taken along y-axis, and you could see a vertical yellow line that is parallel to the y-axis. Exactly at 5 liters, you can see that the increase in the pressure. That's why you are getting the vertical straight line that is shown in the graph in the case of PV diagram. The next one is TP diagram. Here pressure is taken along x-axis and temperature is taken along y-axis. We know very well that the volume is kept constant here. When pressure increases from 100 kilopascal to 120 kilopascal, temperature also slowly increasing within the cooker. And you are able to see the slanting linear line in the graph. When pressure increases, temperature also increases. You can see the slant line, straight line that could be seen in the graph in the case of TP diagram. Finally, you are going to see about VT diagram. Here the temperature is taken along x-axis and volume is taken along y-axis. As I have told earlier, volume of the cooker is kept constant. Volume of the cooker never be changed, 5 liters. Look at the graph. Here the temperature, it increases. When temperature increases, there is no change in the volume. You could see a horizontal line. That horizontal line is drawn exactly at 5 liters. Temperature alone increases. That horizontal line is drawn parallel to the x-axis. This is called as VT diagram.